Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine, and yeah, what about you?
Okay, I'm also doing great and I start my day with a positive vibes. So I'm beyond happy with that. Thanks for your kind concern. So how's your morning?
Actually, I just started my morning just now,
Okay.
so and just just after I started my morning, I I began with this conversation, and I'm looking forward for the day.
Okay. So yeah, of course, likewise, I'm also thrilled to connect with you. So before diving into the session, could you introduce yourself in a nutshell?
Yes, so uh, my name is Vijay Kumar. I'm from Bokaro, Jharkhand. Uh, I'm pursuing, if I talk about my education, I'm pursuing PG. And yeah, that's all about me. And
Okay.
I'd like to know about yourself also, ma'am.
Yeah, definitely. My name is Vikita and I hail from Gujarat. If I talk about my education, I done graduation in English literature apart from I hold two degree, PGDCA and MCA. Now I'm a homemaker and home tutor and YouTuber by the name of Shine with Vikita, where I upload conversation video, solo video and short video. And I'm blessed with one son. So that's pretty much about me.
Okay. Ma'am, you said something like after you did some MCO or what you were saying.
What?
Like you did uh,
MCA,
like not MCA. What is it? May I know? MCA Master in Computer Application.
computer application. Master in a
Okay.
computer application.
Okay.
Today we can talk like as a uh, 1 minute topic. Okay? It is okay for
Yes.
you?
Yes, I will try.
Okay. I give one topic you can discuss, and you give me one topic. I try to discuss. Okay?
Okay. Yes.
So please talk about like mobile. It is a easy topic for you.
Okay. So what I think about mobile is everything nowadays for people because people can't live without mobile. People can skip a meal for a day, but people can't skip or can't ignore. They can't avoid phone for a single minute also in today's time because us we have seen around us like people while while having meal also they are using phone like anywhere everywhere everywhere where people are going they are carrying their phone with them and most of the work is also happening on phone only as we see like we are shopping we are doing shopping through phone through online platforms like Flipkart, Amazon. Most of the students using phone for their education purpose. uh, then after we can see uh, some office works are also done through mobile by some of the people because uh, this is very helpful and helpful to carry to anywhere where people go. But if we think about laptop, it is bigger in size in comparison to phone, so it's quite difficult to carry everywhere. So instead of using laptop, most of the people prefer to use phone only for the possible work which can be done through phone. And if I talk about myself also, I personally think phone is very useful and it's like a boon in today's time. Uh, at the same time, we also need to think about the limitation, the use limitation of phone. We should use in a limited manner, and in a way we can utilize it for our work, and we should avoid unnecessary use of phone at the same time, you will see there are people who are unnecessarily using phone while sleeping, while lying down, when they have nothing to do. Like every time when they are so when people are at office or anywhere, they are when they are getting a spare time, they are just using, and they are just taking out their phone and just looking at the screen of their phone unnecessarily without any work and without any use, like when they don't require the mobile phone. At that time also people use phone, and it has become a habit, like somewhere we are going anywhere, we don't and we are sitting anywhere, we have nothing to do, we just take out our phone from our mobile and we just stare on the screen of the phone, and we think what to do, like after taking the phone on hand, we just think that what can we do on the phone. Then when we find nothing, we just open YouTube, Insta, and we just start scrolling Insta. So in this way, we can also observe that we take out phone for a minute or for a second, but we spend and we waste our time there, waste our time over there for once we started, we keep scrolling reel or short for 20-15 minutes. When we find something interesting, then we start scrolling more deeper, and we find something more interesting, we just involve more on that, and in this way we can't think that how much time we are spending on spending on phone unnecessarily.
Okay,
So yeah,
that's
this is
great.
all about
Yeah,
what I.
so that's great. You explained very well. So have you ever practiced like this charm technique? So, because this is your first time.
Yeah, no, as I remember, I never spoke to anybody in this 1 minute topic, like in this
It is
way.
called jam technique. Just
Jam technique.
1 minute. Jam technique. Just 1 minute. We have to choose one
Yes.
topic and we have to speak about like whatever thoughts comes in our mind. We have to only speak. And in this way, we can improve our level and improve our fluency. So now you can give.
Yeah, this is
Hmm.
actually I have heard about this 1 minute. I speak about 1 minute about a topic, and then after the another person will speak. So I had heard about this, but I never tried. This is my first time.
Okay, that's great. Okay,
Okay, so now it's my turn to give you a topic.
okay.
So can you speak for the for cricket, women's cricket?
Women crickets.
Yes, cricket,
Cricket?
cricket.
Cricket? Okay, cricket.
Yes.
Okay. So, yeah, of course, I want to try to speak about the women crickets, but I'm not like, I'm not watching the cricket match, but I try to, at least I try. Okay, because I'm believe that I'm never given up. I'm not throwing the towel. So, yeah, of course, there is now in this era, there are so many women. They are always live their dreams beyond their daily routines. Like being a homemaker, it is not easy. There are so many humans. They are also married on this area cricket team, but they try to maintain and balance both of things, personal and professional life. And they are doing too much in life. And those ladies inspire a lot, like young generation. And from watching this match, there are so many ladies. They start their dream and they live their dream and then enjoy their dream, and they get the inspiration from that lady, they give the motivation from that lady, and they are doing too much in their life. Yeah, of course it is not easy, but at least they try to do that. So yeah, of course, everyone have to live their dream, not only cricket, but whatever they have dream, they have to like start living the dream. Yeah, after getting married, it is not easy, but at least we have to try and we have to learn how to balance both the side. And yeah, of course, if anyone can do so, I also can do it. Anyone can do. If she can do it, so anyone can do it. We at least devoted some time, so we can do it.
Yeah, nice. And so now you will be giving me a topic.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's
Okay.
water.
Water.
Mhm.
Okay. Uh, Water. When the water comes to my mind, I think about life because we have read since our childhood that Jal hi Jeevan hai, like water is life. So water, the chemical name of water is like O2. We we say in chemistry, the formula of water is O2, and water is blue in color, and third third like maximum part of the earth is occupied with water, and among that only 1% is drinkable water, and rest water is salty, which is in the form of sea water, and water is life, and our body is filled with 70% of water, I think, and rest other liquid, and water, we should drink water minimum of 4 liters in a day, and it is very important to keep our body hydrated, and water give us a great example of flexibility with life, with work, like for job role, as I have heard from somewhere that water, if you observe water carefully, then you will find that in whichever container we put water, it takes the shape of that container, and in this way it convey a message that wherever you go, you just be familiar to the situation, you just be accordingly to the persons you are talking with. So this is a great message water convey, and I think you definitely you have heard already about this quality of water. And if we talk about the molecules of water, then molecules of water are loosely packed, and loosely packed, but not that much loosely like air molecules are packed. Like and water is very necessary for preparing food, and water uh, water is something which is very necessary for life for everybody, and it is also used in household work, for preparing food, for cleaning clothes, and it is also used in industries for cooling machineries, warm machineries, and it is very important for agriculture purpose. As we see in the cultivated land, in the farming land, without water, the farmers can't grow. Farmers can't grow their crop. As it is equally important for the crops also, because if we see for plants, crops, vegetables, they also have life, and as I told very beginning of my uh, when I started speaking about this topic, that water is life. So those plants also have life. So it's also equally important for plants as it is important for human or animal. So water is very important for life.
Okay,
Yeah,
that's
that's all.
great. Yeah, you explained it very well. Okay, now it's your turn.
Yeah, you can speak on job,
Miss, what?
job.
Job.
Job. Job. Yes,
Job.
job.
Job. Okay. So, of course, I want to say it is a profound topic, I can say, because without job, we can't survive in our life. We have to do, yeah, of course, someone can also do the business, but nowadays, mostly people try to do the job because it is I can say secure in our life. Because if we have job, so we can provide the income like monthly income. It is a fix.